I bought this mini PlayStation Classic thing from eBay. And good news, everybody, it's untested. Sony PlayStation Classic Mini, console untested. I paid £29.99 for it. Came with a couple of controllers. And let's have a look at the the listing from the seller. PlayStation Mini console and 2 controllers only, do not have the power adapter cable nor the HDMI, hence item is untested and being sold as spares or repairs. Yeah, okay. I've got to be honest, it is really quite hard to source a micro USB cable, so I can understand why they didn't test it. And HDMI cables are like hen's teeth, aren't they? Right, well let's see if it comes on at least. Oh, we're getting an amp draw. It's quite high, isn't it? 2 amps, that's very high. We're getting no lights there. Right, well, I guess it's got no power. But it's drawing amps somewhere. So, looks like someone's taken a screwdriver to that to try and open it. Pretty sure that doesn't open. Right, well let's, there's 4 screws on the bottom. Let's take this apart. And let's see what's going on the inside.
PlayStation Classic with the power but untested. What are the chances? But it's what I expected. Just trying to get it fiery, bring it back from the dead. First I gotta thank the patrons, so I'ma go ahead. IRL tools are new to this game. Join in McGibbles and insert stupid name. Death, Willie, Ben Rush, John Prushik, Nick Wegger. Have I already rhymed that with Boris Becker? Inflammable base, Oz, Mutant, Sora, Cat. Dr. Funkenstein, McCann was where it's at. Baroque Jam, Rag, Dr. Princess Wizard. Raised by wolves just like Eddie Izzard. Skyrim 22, Diamond Slowness T. What a mouthful like the RVE. To the Flux, Wag, Jockey, Hamilton, Matt Weston and Weston, Jonathan Harden. Kangelburn, Nate, Ellis, Garbutt, Infinity, Fred Chauvier, Andrew Facio, Leasers 3, Adam Taylor, Jonathan Wids, Mark of his 19. Forgot Monkey Joe, Tokyo, in between. Peace.
It's very warm. Yeah, something's burnt out in there. I can smell it. Yeah. Can't see anything immediately obvious though. But you know that smell. Ooh, that smell. Can't you smell that smell? Let's have a look under the microscope. Also looks good here. The smell seemed to be emanating from around this area. Very possibly that chip. Does that look a bit discoloured? Right there. I think it might be. Well, everything else looks okay. Apart from that chip. What is that chip? Well, according to this wiki page, the RTS 5482 chip is a Realtek chip that's the USB 2 hub controller. That wouldn't stop it from coming on, would it? I think I'm going to plug power back in this and see what gets hot. I'm thinking it's going to be that. Right, here goes. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Yeah, that's a lot of amperage. Yeah, there we go. Whoa. 200 degrees. Okay, let's unplug that. That got up to 200 degrees C very, very quickly. And I can smell it. It's definitely that chip. Right, so just checking for shorts here. There's a little cap there. It's shorting on both sides, right next to that chip. I think I'm going to take the chip off, and then I'm going to see if we get the orange light when I take the chip off. Right, let's see what it's doing now. That's much... There we go. This is the power button. It's gone to green. Let's hook this up to a display and see if it's displaying anything now. Yes. Okay, so it does come on without that chip on it. But obviously we're not going to be able to do anything. We're not going to be able to connect the controllers up because I've taken the controller chip off the board. I should probably test it though, right? Even though I know it's not going to work. Yeah, it's not recognising that the controller's been plugged in, which is fairly obvious, I suppose. Right, so the question is, can you get a replacement one of those chips? If it's a Realtek chip, it's got to be an off-the-shelf jobby. Let's Google it. You can buy them from AliExpress, £1.62 there for one. Right, I will order one of those up from China. It's going to take a while to get here, obviously. In the meantime, I'm going to sacrifice my working, this might be foolish, my working PlayStation Classic. I'm going to take the chip off this, I'm going to pop it on there, and we're going to see if it works. I hope it doesn't fry it. Alright, let's take the good one apart. Okay, there it is there. Let's just have a look under the microscope, make sure it's the same chip. It certainly is. Right, let's take it off. I'm gonna regret this. Okay, and let's try and pop it on the faulty board. Okay, faulty board. I'm not going to put any fresh solder on, I'm just going to use the solder that's already there. Right, let's do this. Bit of flux. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah, happy with that. Okay, let's test it. If I can plug this in and I get a light here, then I'm going to put it fully back together and we can test it properly. Oh, I'm really nervous. Okay, here goes. Come on. Come on! We've got the light. Right, let's put this fully back together. And we'll test it. Oh, I just noticed these two balls are slightly different. I know it's upside down, but this one is 198402021. And the faulty one was 1 same, but 1 at the end. So this must be like a later revision. Come on. Yes. Right. HDMI. Here we go. Yes! Try and get rid of that glow. Lovely. Right, I suppose the real moment of truth. Let's plug the controller in. Here we go. Oh, yes! Oh, it works! Get in!
Cool borders!
I've never played this game before, don't know what I'm doing.
Ready?
No.
Get in. Don't force it to spill. It's time to shred.
What are you booing me for?
You better hurry. Cool. Come on, is that all you got? Even though I helped you get bumped up.
Stupid game.
Ooh, that smell. Can't you smell that smell? Ooh, that smell. The smell of death surrounds you.